Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read words with consonant blend, and this is lesson 1. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, are you ready? Let us start. Okay, we will start with the BL or BL blend. Black, blade, blame, blank, blanket, bleach, blend, blind, blocks, blood, bloom, blouse, blow, blush, bluff, blur. Okay, let's read again together. Black, blade, blame, blank, blanket, bleach, blend, blue, blind, blocks, blood, bloom, blouse, blow, blue, bluff, blur, blush. And now it's your turn to read. Okay, very good. So I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. And please also read lesson 2 of the consonant blend. Once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.